This message is brought to you by the Association of Professional Engineers and Geoscientists of Alberta. When engaging a team of experts for a project, it may not be obvious when you require the services of a professional engineer or geoscientist, or what the differences are between licensed professional and technologists. But understanding this and building a properly integrated team is vital to public safety, as well as meeting the legal responsibilities of the Engineering and Geoscience Professions Act. The Engineering and Geoscience Professions Act details the legal responsibilities and relationships that govern all engineering and geoscience licensed professionals and technologists. The Act ensures that, at all times, individuals practicing engineering or geoscience are doing so in a manner that protects the public by making sound and ethical decisions. But even though licensed professionals and technologists are regulated by the same Act, the scope of practice, as in who can do what when it comes to practicing engineering and geoscience, is very different. As defined by the Act, only APEGA licensed professional engineers and geoscientists have the legal right to provide the full scope of services, which allows them to authenticate all technical work and to supervise others on the team. There are others who have the legal right to provide a limited scope of engineering and geoscience services. These are professional licensees and professional technologists. They can authenticate only the work that is granted to them within the scope of their limited license. These individuals are all considered licensed professionals, so can operate independently and authenticate their technical work and supervise others within their scope of practice. In addition to licensed professionals, there are also engineering and geoscience technologists who can assist with many aspects of project work on the team. They can do tasks within the scope of practice of licensed professionals. However, when the work being conducted by an engineering or geoscience technologist falls within the scope of practice of licensed professionals, they must, by law, be working under the supervision of a licensed professional. There are tasks technologists can do outside of the scope of practice of licensed professionals that don't need authentication or supervision by a licensed professional. This is why there is a need to identify whether the work will fall within the scope of practice of a licensed professional. If it does, a licensed professional must be involved and provide adequate supervision to protect the public. To learn more about the engineering and geoscience professions in Alberta and who can actually do what, visit apega.ca today.